Betty, did you finish shredding my mail from this morning yet?
I'm just finishing, Mr. Clamp.
Good.
Mr. Clamp, is it true the building's been evacuated?
Sir, is the building on fire?
No, that's a false alarm. We've just got some, problems.
Problems? You got a guy in there in a Dracula costume broadcasting stuff with little green monsters. Are you trying to panic New York City?
Absolutely not.
So the monsters are real?
I didn't say that.
Then when are you saying this?
Just what I always say, Mike.
Mr. Clamp, sir, I'm Marla Bloodstone. I'm the department head here. If there's anything at all
It's
I can
okay. Everybody just, relax and, go on about what you'd be doing normally. Hey, I know I haven't been down here before, but that's gonna change. I'm gonna be more, hands-on with these operations from now on. I think I own that. Bill!
Mr. Clamp, sir, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. I hate using these machines myself.
Sir, I'm sorry about the building.
I'm not. And we're insured for the damages. Now we can come to a deal. Believe me. I believe there's always an area of agreement that two people can reach.